So here is the Maicos 700. Over today, not about this bike, or about this bike. This is the Zabel 700. So I took it out for a test drive, and a couple things. The first one is I think that the airflow isn't that good. And so, I mean, I was thinking it's probably going to be not good, but so I'm going to need to take this off and figure out something else that's going to be better for the airflow. Second thing was it is jetted, I think, too rich. So just like I did with this one, it's got the same carb on it. I'm going to take a look at the jetting, and I'll probably drop it down, one on the main and on the pilot like I did with the other one. I have the one light clutch, and what I need to do there is I need to bleed this and see if I can get it to not be grabby as it is and make it a little bit better. But it may be too hard to do that. It may just be heating up. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try and bleed it some more and see if I can get it better, because it's definitely not. This one over here is working a lot better, and it's the same setup. It's even the same type of clutch on it. And so it's surprising that this one over here gets to be grabby, whereas this one doesn't become that grabby. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is just take off the carburetor, start from the inside out. So this has already been undone from before, just because I had taken it off whenever I was riding it before I left, just to, you know, give it a test. But you can, I mean, every time I shut this thing off, it's flooding out. So a little bit of a screwdriver for this. Okay. Oh yeah, that way. That's the good thing about the rings. Just pop off pop that off here. Protect this. I'm just gonna put this in there. Protect that. Second thing, protect this. Just gonna put this to wrap around it. Put it back under here. So you can see, I mean, this carb is still pretty clean. I rode the bike once just to test ride it, and I haven't ridden it again. So now one thing about these things is that you have this clip on the bottom, so it makes it very easy to take these off. Okay, gas in there, you can see. So I'm going to just put this over here. Taking these components off here. And I'm just going to see what the jetting is on this. So we're just going to take this out. And we'll take this out. Alright. Take this off with this. Okay, so I can't see anything. Whenever I look at these stupid things, I can't fucking see anything. We're gonna, because I can't see anything, I'm just gonna use this here to try and figure out what this is. Right here. The fuck is that? We'll zoom in on the screen here. Well, I can just record this from the screen itself, but so you can see this is B, and I'm not sure if that's 8.5 or 8.6. Probably 8.5. here's a number here. 230. All right. 285 Pilot, and it looks like a 230 main. So the next thing I gotta do is see if I can find those jets or not. Oh. Okay, so here is my little collection. Right-down kit. Here we go. Okay. There's a bunch in here. Okay, here's some here. What is this? It tells you on it. A couple of these here. Oh, here's a Pilot. Okay, so there's a Pilot there. Here's a main. So we got a Pilot and a main. It's here. Got a couple Pilots up here and a couple mains down here. Let's go over here. These are for a different type of carburetor. Okay. Alright, so this is a 50 idle jet. And this is a 185. Okay, so I don't think I have what I need. Gonna have to order those, I think. Check what I put into the Maicos 700. Okay, so I looked around, I found some more jets, but none of them were the right ones. I looked back, and so I found out that the Maicos 700, it came with 215 and it came with an 85. And so this looks like an 85, but this is a 230. So I noticed then that I had ordered a bunch of these and a bunch of these. I had even up to 220, had down to like 200. And I put a 210 in there and an 80. So I can jump this down to an 80. Now this is a bigger engine, it has a different pipe on it. It's only 15 cc's more than the 700, but I could definitely the 230 is too big. So I put the 230 down to 220 maybe, or even 215, and give those a try. If not going all the way down to 210 like I did with that one. But I have to find those jets, and I cannot find them anywhere. If I can't find them, I'll have to order, you know, the gauntlet again.
Okay, so the air filter is off now. I'm gonna wedge it here so I can't get dirt that way. But, I mean, obviously this isn't great, but I've taken it all the way out before I did, just see if that helps out this thing. Or helps out bikes before. All I did was take out the stupid air filter. So Yeah, these things never work. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out something better with the air filter then.